डिसिजन हांवें घेतलें because I was in 2002, I was the PWD minister, and I said that nothing doing. These all roads are to be hot mix. And it was the 2002 I think Gupta was there at that time, and Ullas was not there. He just joined in 2004. Gupta was there, आणि आम्ही ते सगळे रोड 2002 hot mix केले. That was the first time in the history of Goa any campus असो, मागीर तो पॉलिटेक्निक कॅम्पस असो, आमचो असो किंवा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज असो, वी स्टार्टेड हॉट मिक्सिंग ऑफ रोड. आणि त्या खातीर जवळ जवळ 12 वर्सां ते रोड उरले. 12 वर्सां जे रोड आमी 3-3 वर्सांनी करताले. इवन द रुरल रोड अ डिसिजन वॉज टेकन दॅट टायम बाय मी अँड मनोहर पर्रीकर टू मेक ऑल रुरल रोड हॉट मिक्स इन 2002. वी स्टार्टेड दॅट, अँड दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू स्टार्ट ऑल हॉट मिक्स रुरल रोड. नाजाल्यार पयलीं आमी स्टेट हायवे करताले आनी आमचे नॅशनल हायवे करताले आनी मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड आशिल्ले तितलेच आमी करताले. आनी दिस वॉज अ युनीक डिसिजन टेकन दॅट टायम, आनी आमी हें काम केलें. आनी त्या नंतर एक एक गोश्ट आमी करत गेले. देर वर 2 gardens, both gardens were in pathetic condition, main building front side. We started with the help of forest department, आमी ते गार्डन अपग्रेड केली. हांव म्हणटा सगळें आमी केलें म्हणून. with the help of forest department we upgraded that both. आणि त्यानंतर 3rd garden आम्ही घेतले, ताका कंपाऊंड करून आणि एक ब्युटिफिकेशन चालू केले. त्यानंतर पॅडा बांधली, हे केले. त्यानंतर IIT आयली, NIT आयली. त्यानंतर एक प्लॉट आम्ही ह्याका दिलो, हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट कोर्साक दिलो. आणि अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट बाकीच्यो फॅसिलिटीज तयार केल्यो ज्यो फॅसिलिटीज नाशिल्ल्यो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट IT बिल्डिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बिल्डिंग, देन मायनिंग कोर्स वी स्टार्टेड. आणि हे सगळे करता आसतना सेजा गोवाची मदत घेतली, त्यानंतर बाकीच्यो कंपनीच्यो मदत घेतले आणि एक एक करीत आमी मुखार आयले. अँड टुडे तुमकां खबर आसा कॉलेज खंय पावला. इट इज रियली एट अ very high level. ते येता with the help of new our principal कृपाशंकरजी डेफिनेटली. कारण त्यानंतर मोदी आम्ही 2002 IIT आयली. त्याच्या पयलीं आम्ही सुरतकल आमचे जे कॉलेज आसा ताजे कडेन टाय अप करपाक वी ट्राय, बट इट कूड नॉट हॅपन. आणि त्यानंतर जो फॅकल्टी आशिल्लो तो वाडोवपा खातीर प्रयत्न जालो. पूण तरी आसतना आजून अर्धे काम तशेंच उरलां. हेंय म्हाका खबर आसा. पूण IIT जाल्या नंतर वेगळेपण, एक गोश्ट IIT कनेक्ट जाल्या नंतर एक गोश्ट वेगळेपण आयली, त्या बद्दल दुबाव ना. पूण आज म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता, कारण शेवट आमी योग्य स्थानार आयल्यात. आणि हे करता आसतना आज परत एकदा बाब निलेशाच्या हातांतल्यान आसूं किंवा म्हज्या हातांतल्यान आसूं, हांव निलेशाच्याच म्हणटा, कारण ही स्टार्टेड डुईंग दॅट प्रोजेक्ट. नाजाल्यार ते जायना. खंयचो प्रोजेक्ट असो काडलो म्हणून जायना, कोणी तरी तो मुखार व्हरपाक जाय. आनी ते बाब निलेशान केले. त्या बद्दल तुजें हांव मना पासून अभिनंदन करता, आभार मानना. आमकां आमचें कॉलेज आमी हांगा खेळपा येताले, जेवपा येताले, खावपा येताले, आनी त्या खातीर हें काम आमी करपाकूच जाय. तुमचे बरें गोश्टी तुमच्या तकलेंतल्यो येवपा जाय. वन प्रॉब्लेम आय ऑलवेज रेज वेन आय सी प्रिंसिपल, and there is 1 megawatt solar project. I don't know. सगळे टेक्निकल पर्सन्स आर हियर आणि तो प्रोजेक्ट आमचो जायना. आणि आमचो टार्गेट आसा बाय 2027 150 मेगावॅट वीज निर्मिती गोंयांत जावपाक जाय, आणि आमी ते करतले. मुख्यमंत्री मनमोहन सावंत आणि हांवें हें ठरयल्लें आसा. हांव परत रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रिंसिपलाक आणि तुमच्या सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या हेडाक की हातूंत इनिशिएटीव घ्या. वॉट एवर पॉसिबल थिंग, वॉट एवर हेल्प फ्रॉम गॅडा आसूं किंवा NRE डिपार्टमेंट आसूं आमी करुया आणि आमी दाखोवन दिवया. कित्याक पयलीं विंडमील जेन्ना जाली तेन्ना सुद्दां हांव आशिल्लो. विंडमील जाली, इट वॉज नॉट सक्सेसफूल दॅट टायम. आय डोंट नो वाय. आतां परत गोंयांत विंडमील जाता म्हणून एक कोणी तरी हें दिलां. Whether it will be successful or not, I don't know. But this particular project जो आसा तो तुम्ही वेगळ्या तरेन घेवंक शकता, विच कॅन बी युटिलायज्ड इन अ डे लायट अप टू 4 o'clock. डेफिनेटली जी कॉलेज हे आसा तो पर्यंत तरी तुमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. आनी 1 मेगावॅट वीज जर मॅन्युफॅक्चर ह्या हाचेर जालो, कारण ओरिजिनली तुमकां आनी एक गजाल सांगता, 12 तारखेक आमच्या भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांची जयंती आसा. आनी हे सगळे जे नामामुळे ते भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकराक लागून जाले. देर आर 2 थिंग्स. हो जो प्लॉट आशिल्लो पळय वॉज एक्वायर्ड टू हॅव अ एअरपोर्ट, लक्षांत हाडा. आनी हांगा एअरपोर्ट येवपाचो जो दाबोळीक आसा तो. आनी हो एअरपोर्ट कित्याक येवना? बिकॉज जो टॅक्निकल पॉयंटान एविएशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंडियान सांगलें की हांगा लागीं समुद्र ना आनी लागीं सी नाशिल्ल्या कारणान हो एअरपोर्ट जावना. सो वी आर लकी इनफ. नाजाल्यार सदां आमी घरा 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 करून आमचे ते तकले लागतले आशिल्ले, पूण तें ना जालें. आनी आज आमकां हो बेस्ट प्लॉट मेळ्ळा. आज अजून हांगा जवळ जवळ 15 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन आसा. आनी आय ऑलवेज यूज टू टेल चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड हाऊ पीपल ओनली दॅट स्टार्ट एक्वायरींग दॅट लँड. नाजाल्यार कोण ना कोण घेतलो. जशें हांवें कदंबा बस स्टँडार देखून आय हॅव एक्वायर्ड 99,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर लँड आमच्या आरटीओ डिपार्टमेंट. परत हांवें भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकराक लागून ग्रावंडार बांदून 33,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जावन म्हटलें. आनी वी हॅव गॉट अ व्हेरी स्मॉल ग्रावंड पूण व्हेरी नायस ग्रावंड. तशा पद्दतीन हांगा फुडें एक्सटेन्शन करपा खातीर आफ्टर कटमगा त्याच्या नंतर जी लँड आसा ती एक्विशनां आमी ह्या पयलीं परत बसून सांगत आसा. आमी इल्लें इल्लें करून तें करपाक जाय, ताची गरज आसा इन फ्युचर. आनी तो आतां कळना म्हाका. आफ्टर 25 years आमी एखाद्या आश्चर्य ना 25 वर्सां नंतर. पूण ही जी आतां यंग जनरेशन आसा हांगा जे इंजिनियर जातले ते मुखार हांगा फॅकल्टी मेंबर येवंक शकता किंवा इतर हातून तांकां दिसतलें मुखार की ही जमीन इतली आसा गव्हर्मेंटाची, इट शूड बी प्लॅन अँड वेल टू डू. अशें जर करतले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी हे प्रश्न आय रिक्वेस्ट प्रिंसिपल to bring to the notice of the Chief Minister that another say about 10 to 15 lakhs if possible we can acquire, because that time 13 lakh square meter and ती सुद्धा जमीन असं पळय ती सगळी ताका हे ना बॉर्डर सिक्युरिटी ना. बॉर्डर सिक्युरिटी हांवें केल्ली पूण मागीर जी उरला पळय ते अजून बॉर्डर सिक्युरिटी ना. ती करची, ते पॉयंट्स नोटिफाय करचे आणि परत उरिल्ली जमीन एक्वायर करपा खातीर प्रयत्न करतो. 1 मेगावॅट प्रोजेक्ट तांणी घेवचो म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट करता आनी म्हाका हांगा आपयलो त्या बद्दल तुमचे मनापासून अभिनंदन करता. आनी अशेंच काम आमी करत मुखार ह्या एक टॉपमोस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूट तयार करपा खातीर आमी सगळ्यांनी हातान हात घातलो जाल्यार नक्कीच ते जावंक शकता अशें म्हाका दिसता. ती तयारी करून आमी मुखार वचुया अशें नमूद करता आनी परत एकदा तुमचें अभिनंदन करता आणि म्हणजे 2 शब्द हांव घेता. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
थँक्यू सो मच सर. तुम्ही म्हळ्या प्रमाणे तुमचा जर असोच आमकां सपोर्ट असल्यार गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनियरींग टॉप मोस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूशन नक्कीच जातले. इतली वर्सां सो मेनी इयर्स सर हॅज बीन विथ अस. We are indeed thankful to sir for taking such keen interest in Goa College of Engineering. Also, a big thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule and witnessing this wonderful event. It's time we show our gratitude and appreciation to the guests, the chief guest and the guest of honor. I would request Principal Goa College of Engineering to kindly hand over the memento.
Education. If you see the invite, there were 2 names. I think from morning I was getting questions why Prasad Lolekar sir is not here and why Vivek Kamath sir is not here. That is because of the Swayampoorna Goa sir was given responsibility. So sir was not sure whether he will be able to make it. So sir has just given us an information that from 10 o'clock onwards the Chief Minister is addressing So I said, sir, if time permits, please do join us. And Prasad Lolekar sir has been put on election duty today, so he could not join us. But now that the director is here, we would request him to say a few words, because he was very much part of this whole exercise of getting it approved. And sir, please.
Good morning to you all. Honorable Minister for Power, Sri Sudhin Dawlikar, Honorable MLA, Sri Nilesh Kabra, Principal Goa Engineering College, Chief Engineer PWD, members of faculty, staff, students, distinguished guests who are here for this function. Incidentally, I was drafted for some other duty there, but my heart and soul was all here. So I rushed immediately after doing that. I rushed here, and it gives me great pleasure to be a part of this function. In fact, any function on this campus, I take it as my personal or family function. These two aspects, that is extension of canteen and the that is tomorrow. Other one is tomorrow. Canteen. I always cherish very sweet memories of this canteen. I have spent 4 years in this canteen. Initially when I was doing my BE, after that around 2 years when I was doing my ME, and I think most of the life skills that I have learned in this campus are in that classroom, that canteen. So now that is being extended, and I am very sure the number of students have increased on this campus, and of course number of skill sets that are required for leading a good life, they have also been further enhanced, and all whatever that is due will be imparted to you directly or indirectly in this extended canteen. And definitely the canteen environment and the services, including the food items that are provided or that would be provided in this canteen, definitely will be of good quality, and we will not have to, the students will not have to worry about their food requirements. They have to only concentrate on acquiring skills, competences, technological knowledge in this campus, and the canteen would definitely be a good supplement to their requirements in their pursuit for the technological learning. So on this occasion, I wish the college authorities all the very best, and that project would be completed very soon. Chief Engineer of PWD is also, my batchmate. She was here on this campus. One of the very few girl students who were there in the campus that time. Now I believe it is almost 50-50. So it will be completed at the earliest and will be available for the use by students, staff, faculty, everybody on the campus at the earliest. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Well, it's time to show our appreciation to the dignitaries onto the dais. I would request Director of Technical Education, Dr. Vivek Kamath, to kindly present a memento to the chief guest of the today's function, Shri Ramakrishnan Bhavikar. I would request volunteers to kindly present the mementos to Director of Technical Education to hand over to chief guest. Can you have a round of applause? Thank you. I would request a principal to kindly present the memento to the guest of honor, Shri Nilesh Kabra. Thank you so much, sir. I would request our principal to kindly present a memento to the Director of Technical Education. Thank you so much. We now come to the end of today's function. I would request Dr. Ullas Savarkar, HOD of Mining Department, Goa College of Engineering, to formally summarize the morning with a vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all. Honorable Minister for Power, Shri Sudhin Dawlikar. Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Shri Nilesh Kabral. Director of Technical Education, Dr. Vivek Kamath. Principal of Goa College of Engineering, Dr. M.S. Krupashankar. Chief Engineer of PWD, Madam Odette De Silva. Other dignitaries of the day, guests, my colleague and dear students. On behalf of GEC, I am privileged to propose vote of thanks. At this moment, we owe deep sense of gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Under his leadership, the development in Goa is on fast track, and we are extremely happy to see the same in our campus too. Though he could not make it today because of his very busy schedule, we thank him in absentia. Our thanks are due to Shri Sudhin Dawlikar ji, Honorable Minister for Power, who always find time for GEC and constantly guide and motivate us to do more better things. Thank you, sir. Our thanks are due to Shri Nilesh Kabral ji, Honorable MLA of Kurcharam constituency, for accepting our invitation and gracing this function. Sir, these two projects were included under your support and guidance, and there are many more in the pipeline. Thank you, sir. Our thanks are due to Shri Prasad Loliyekar, IAS, Secretary Education, whose guidance and motivation in every aspect of our college development is graving the path towards excellence. We also thank him in absentia. Our thanks are due to the Director of Technical Education, Dr. Vivek Kamath, for constantly guiding us, no matter whether it is a mega event or a small activity happening in the campus. Thank you, sir. Our thanks are due to Principal of our college, Dr. M.S. Krupashankar, for his valuable suggestion and in executing this project. Our special thanks are due to Mrs. Odette De Silva, Chief Engineer PWD, and entire team of PWD, including E and AE of Division 16 building, for their regular support. Our thanks are due to the Finance Department for timely according the approval to begin the project. Our thanks are also due to the staff, students of our college, without whose support organizing this function would have been difficult. Last but not the least, our thanks are due to the press and media people, guests, invitees, project team of civil contractor who have come here to make this event successful. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Thank you all for attending. Everyone is requested to gather in the main building lobby for refreshment. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You go, I will lift. Cover that.